This is my 1963 Chevy C30 dually. While I was working on it, one of the studs on the wheel ended up getting cross-threaded, so I can't get the nut back on this one. So I went ahead and bought a kit on Amazon. We're gonna check it out and see if it works. Yeah, this nut is also cross-threaded in there and gets about halfway on, and then it just is completely stuck. This kit was about $70 from Amazon.com. Comes with national coarse, national fine, and a metric set. These rethreading taps and dies are highly tempered for strength and durability and are hex-shaped for use with a socket or wrench. For quick visual identification, rethreading tools are color-coded with metric components in gold, national fine sizes in black, and national coarse sizes a bright silver. Now the lug does have 1/2-inch fine threads, so we're going to come to the kit here and find the fine threads and the 1/2-inch, which is right here. We'll go ahead and chase this on here. Now that that's chased, we'll go ahead and work on the lug nut itself. I'm gonna go ahead and place the lug nut in my vise here. And we'll chase it through. Gonna grab the 1/2-inch. I am going to dab on just a little drop of cutting fluid. Now, I do like that the kit has the metric, so I use the 1/2-inch for my yellow truck, but something like an M12 will work on things like a Subaru Impreza. Both threads have been chased. Let's throw this guy on, moment of truth. Oh man, that's nice. Oh, it's good to have that back on. I've been meaning to fix that for months. Well, this turned out to be an excellent rethreading set. I believe it's on Amazon right now for $64 on Prime. Definitely recommend it for others to purchase if you want a cheap set that's gonna work for you. Follow our channel for more review videos like this. Also, if any of you are struggling with anxiety, depression, or addiction, check out the end screens or a link down in the comments below, and we will see you next time. Bye.